I suddenly realized that the easel I had made myself was inconvenient to use. I removed my old easel with electric drilling motion. Standing up and sitting down was not easy for me. I plan to make it easy to move the large canvas and mark the location of the first crossbar with the tape measure. The crossbar is fixed at the height of 720 millimeters from the floor. Use a lever to check the horizontality of the crossbar. Once the lever is confirmed, secure it with screws at equal intervals on both sides. It's not that the crossbar is crooked, it's that the building is crooked. Draw a reference line to prevent the crossbar from being uneven. Using a jig, cut 130 millimeters, position and secure the second crossbar. Once you've done this, you're practically done. Isn't the full back view truly beautiful? In fact, drawing a big picture is a very difficult task. I actually find it a pity that I, as a furniture designer, cannot focus solely on drawing. However, I think upgrading these drawing tools one by one is also a good way to not give up on drawing. Before I knew it, 5 crossbars has been installed. It looks good. This studio is relatively new and I'm working with a passionate new artist. I guess it's serious that I'll make a new easel one. He keeps talking nonsense. I installed the last crossbar using a magnifying hood. I tried the angular size 100 canvas. I wonder if it is easy to use. Next time, I had to draw using this easel. Thank you very much.